that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow. Stay true to that fire in your heart and your soul.
Okay guys, this is part 2 of zone 3. So I'm gonna do the breakfast nook. I did the kitchen desk in my Sunday home reset. Go check that video out. But confession, you know, I was supposed to do the rest of the paperwork and ended up taking Epsom salt baths instead. So tonight, or sometime this week, I will file this. So that's the only thing that is left there. Let me turn on the light because there's more light here. So this gets neglected, but there's not a whole lot. But I don't remember the last time I went to fix those windows, and I was going to do the outside, but I'll just wait till I do the patio. But confession, I do not remember if I even ever washed those curtains. We've been here 8 years. I think I did when we first moved in because the previous owner left them there. Yeah. I think all the cobwebs are good, cobwebs. Let me dust that. Should have done that before I did the table. So, I think I'm going to take the curtains down and wash them. That means getting the stool out. That also means I need to do the top part of the window because I only did the bottom part. So, yeah, so again, this is part 2. I did part 1, zone 1, part 1 yesterday, if you missed that. So it has taken me all day to do this, but I was editing in between, and I use my phone to edit and upload and everything, so I can't, like, while it's uploading, use my phone. I don't know. Anyway, so that's the only reason why it's taken me all day to get this done. Well, I didn't start yesterday's part 1 until 11:30. I don't really know. And it is like 3:30 now. And I had lunch and whatever. Now, this is not typical because my thing is to get it one and done. But, you know, we're still staying at home, so I don't have anything else to do today. So I can casually clean and go on about my business, doing this, that, and the other thing, and then clean in between. It's all good. It don't matter. All right, gonna get the stool and get them curtains down.
It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end, the end. There's things in life you simply need to know, but sun or rain.
On another day, I'm gonna have to take those blinds down and wash them. They're filthy. We don't even use them. I don't know. I'm gonna ask hubby if he wants to just get rid of them. You know, we never close our blinds because we live in the boonies and don't need to. But if we go on vacation, we do close the blinds while we're gone. So, I don't know. So, it was quite dusty up there. I'm going to have to get the dusting wand and dust up around there. And then I'm going to go put these curtains in the wash machine, change over the wash that I started earlier, yada, yada.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're
Section
strong.
for now until the curtains is clean. Wow, that's kind of nice seeing out the windows like that. Something to ponder whether I want to put the curtains even back up. Probably. Anyway, so I'm just going to do a general cleanup first and then decide I probably am going to dust that as my extra. I don't think the fan needs to be done. I just did it in a spring cleaning video. Yeah.
Stay true to that fire in your heart and your soul. Don't drench your desire.
Okay, that took 5 minutes, and Callie's not happy with me. Okay, so I'm going to start over here. and dust this wall unit. Let's see. I don't remember. The last time I did it was when, it's not that bad, when, I don't know, can I get away with just brushing the thing instead of polishing everything? Anyway, I did it when we painted in here. If you didn't see that set of videos, this wall used to be orange, so we did a room makeover. It's still a work in progress. You can see patches. That still needs to be done, but that was all cleaned up. Everything was dusted on there and wiped down good, and the shelves, and there was a lot more decor on there. So there's a lot less decor on there now. Yeah, all right, let me get busy. I guess I'm gonna polish.
We always rise up through it all, it all. We get a little wiser. There's things in life you simply need to know. But sun and rain.
Okay, not really that dusty, so I guess I should wipe the windowsills, but I did do those windows when we redid this room. That needs to be hung up there. I gotta get hubby to help me. I think I'm done in here, except for sweeping and mopping. Do I want to do those windows? They don't really look that bad. I think they're fine. I'll do the outside when I do the patio again. So, Callie, you want me to put that blanket back for you? Oh. Okay, so moving on to the... And then I would do things like wash that blanket, but I just washed it yesterday. Or that mat, but it doesn't really need it right now. And I could do those curtains. The sheer is new, which needs fixed. It's drooping. Not going to do that today. Since I'm doing the other curtains, I'll do it next week. Or whenever this zone comes up again. Because I'm doing 2 zones 1 week and 3 zones the next week. That kind of thing. Oh, I forgot. I was going to deal with that. Take that out and wash the blankets that are in there and spray down the basket. Yeah, not happening today. And I didn't dust that. I should. Is it even dirty? Yeah, I guess it is. Okay. I went ahead and dusted that real quick. Turn on the light. Okay, so this is the situation here. A couple weeks ago, I took all of my flowers out of my craft room and put them in the tub and soaked them. Look, do you see the dirt that came off of them? And then they're just been sitting here. So I gotta put those back in my craft room, clean the tub, and do everything. And then there was 2 mats in the kitchen, and I put them in here to clean, and then I never put them back. So I have to do something with it. You know, those foam mats that help with back support and whatever. And then just do a general clean, weekly cleaning, toilet. Need to replace, put the toilet paper back in there, yada, yada, yada.
There's things in life you simply need to know. But sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end, the end, the end. Don't say you're ridiculous, you're not even close. Don't wish for indifference, you're not one of those. We fall, but we always rise up through it all, it all. We get
okay, done with the bathroom. The tub still has some spots in it, but I need to wait till I order some the Bone and Me cleanser to get those spots out. I don't have any scrubby cleanser left, so no worries, nobody's using that right now. And I'm gonna let the toilet soak a little bit more before I finish wiping it down and rinsing out the inside of the toilet. I emptied the trash, but there's not really that much there, so all done. So there's still some water spots. I don't know, looks not too bad on camera, right? I'm just gonna leave the broom in there until it dries. In case you missed that, that's what I use to clean my other shower. And I thought I'd use it in here. So something I need to do in the future, I should have said that in the other rooms, but anyway. So this needs decluttered. Well, I guess that doesn't, but maybe some of these drawers do. I know this needs decluttered. I need to organize my cleaning stuff in here more. It's mostly in my cleaning cart, but I do keep like the Mrs. Meyers toilet bowl cleaner in here instead of my cart. Don't ask me why, because I don't know, it's specific. So that's gonna go in here. It's not used throughout the house, it's only used in the bathrooms. So I gotta clean up this mess and then apparently charge my phone because I'm getting low battery. And so what's left to do is nothing. Well, the hallway too, but that would be like cobwebs and stuff. I do see something up there, but I think I've got them all mostly. So, but when I get the hose out of the vacuum, I'll do that. So I just need a vacuum and mop, and then I'm done for this week. And I'm waiting to put, these are the mats. One goes into the kitchen sink, one goes by the stove. I'm waiting till after I vacuum and mop, and then I will put them back down. So hubby took out some meat for dinner tonight. So we're having tacos. It's Taco Tuesday. They did not have any chicken tenderloins. They barely had any chicken. So this is a split chicken breast. That's the best I could do. That's all they had when I got delivery yesterday. I don't know. Let me know. Are you low on chicken in your area? What is going on with that? And of course, when I do zone 3 next time, I will take care of that. And maybe the curtains. So I still have to, I think they're done washing those curtains. I need to put them back up. But it probably won't happen in this video, to tell you the truth. So, all right, I'm going to get the vacuum out and vacuum and then mop.
It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end, the end, the end. Don't say you're ridiculous, you're not even close. Don't wish for indifference, you're not one of those. We fall, but we always rise up through it all,
Again, this was Tuesday. If you missed part 1, you might want to go back and watch that. So today's actually Tuesday. I meant to do it on Monday, but it didn't get done. So I vacuumed, I mopped. I don't know. I didn't clean the fridge because I had done it another day, but I did some decluttering. What, my pen is not working. I did some decluttering. So normally I would clean the fridge on this day, but it didn't need it done because I did it the other day. And all right, so I did that. In the breakfast nook, I vacuumed, I dusted, I did the windows, and that was curtains, was the extra. In the family room, I vacuumed, dusted, mopped. I didn't do the windows, I didn't clutter anything. I really didn't do anything extra. All right. I didn't really need anything extra. Like the ceiling fan, didn't need it. The windows didn't need it. The outside did. Didn't really need it. So, the guest bath, I cleaned it. I vacuumed it, dusted it, I guess. Mopped. I didn't declutter. The extra would be the shower, which doesn't usually get done because it's the guest bathroom and we don't use it. And I did the tub. But next time I will declutter some under the sink and stuff like that. And the guest room, that is going to be later. So let me show you. Let me go back. I will give it an overview. So last week I did zone 1 and zone 2. Was intended to do zone 3, but it didn't happen. So I think from now on I'll do 2 zones and then 3 zones, and whichever order they come in, it's going to go 1 2 3 1 2 3 1. So it's going to be on a different day of the week every time. So, and see, I didn't do zone 3 on Monday. I did it this day, and that's okay. Things come up. What are you gonna do? So tomorrow I'm not gonna record because I already did that last week and stuff, but I will let you guys know in my daily vlog how long it took me to do zone 1 without recording, without filming and stuff, and zone 2, and then the next week will be just 2 zones. That way I can get in yard work and some other stuff, and I won't be able to have to do deep cleaning anymore. I'm good. I'm caught up on a lot of stuff. The breakfast nook, I want to do the shades the next time, stuff like that. So, all right, guys. So the only thing left for me to do is to put those curtains in the dryer and hang them up and call it a day. I think this is going to work. When hubby wanted to know when his office and man cave, what zone that was, I'm like, that's your zone. No, I think that to be a zone 4, and that will happen only on the weekends, and we'll tag team it periodically. We'll do 1 room a weekend or something like that, or whenever that happens, which is not that often. It really probably be on quarterly cleaning. The patio, I already said this, the patio, the front porch, the garage. And then I'll just include his rooms too in that and help him do that, and we'll tag team that. So yeah, he really doesn't have much time to clean. So yeah.
It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering before you make it safely to the end, the end, the end. And if you ever wonder, there is nothing wrong with a little thunder. There's things in life you simply need to know about sun and rain and trust and letting go.